They showed different sides of the design of the inexpensive iPhone SE2, although the new series of iPhone 11 smartphones was released not so long ago. Many users are looking forward to the next generation iPhone, because nothing revolutionary has appeared in these smartphones. However, in the recent past, in addition to news about the iPhone 12, quite a lot of interesting information has appeared about another long-awaited smartphone, iPhone SE2. According to a number of visualizations recently published by YouTube channel ConceptsiPhone, the new iPhone SE2 will continue the design ideas of the previous generation. But also trends relevant for 2020 will also be present in it. Although the front part of the smartphone is not clearly visible on the renders, there are obvious hints at the minimal frames around the display. The back will use the same rectangular camera module as the iPhone 11, and it is expected that the 3.5mm jack, as well as the round volume buttons, will return. In other respects, according to previously published news, iPhone SE2 will use a 4.7-inch LCD screen. The performance will be the same as in the iPhone 11 series processor, A13. Only 4G networks will support the smartphone, and it is equipped with 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM. Drives at the same time on 64GB or 128GB. In addition, they say that NAND flash will appear in the smartphone and remove 3D touch. There should be 3 color options: gray, white and red. Guo Minjiao previously said that Apple will launch this new iPhone SE2 in the first quarter of next year, starting at $399. So we can only wait and we will see more details about the upcoming smartphone.